Hi, welcome back. This is part 12 of the junk jewelry jar haul. Let's get started. The first thing I picked out for you today is this really pretty brooch. I mean, that's real stitching. I think it's so great. I might have to keep it. Then there's this flower brooch. I will also put this in my collection to use in the future. Then we have a lovely little chair. I don't know what it was. Maybe it had a brooch pin on the back at one point. It's got little gems on the side, so I'll keep that. This is cool. It's going to be a dangle. I will put that in my dangles collection. Then single earring. Maybe I'll find the match. I will keep that. This type of pendant has a name. I cannot think of it. It begins with a C. Nope, can't think of it. But I will put it with the rest of them because I have a whole bunch like that. Okay, these glasses. Stop it right now. How cute are these red glasses? Oh, they're so cute. I'm not keeping the chain, but I am going to definitely do something with them. Sand them down, repaint them, put something in the eyes. I just can't wait. Then there's this. I think this is an earring. Yep. Smooshed. Maybe I'll find the pair. Not that it matters. I will keep it and use it in something. I always find something to do with them. Then there's this splendid little butterfly. She was a pendant at some point. So I will keep her and use her for something. She's missing some gems, but that's no big deal because I have some that I can replace. And I think this is an American Eagle Outfitters, American Eagle, whatever. I think that's their Eagle. But we'll keep it. Then this is a pendant. Also, I'll keep it, just solid silver. This is so pretty. It is missing one little gem. I'm going to put this in my collection to harvest those gems out. That's it. Bye.